A week after Israel's Security Cabinet approved Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's plan to take full military control over Gaza, the Israeli military chief has now approved the framework for a new offensive targeting the seizure of Gaza City. Lieutenant General Ayal Zamir approved the main framework for the IDF's Gaza operation during a meeting with the General Staff Forum, Shin Bet officers and senior commanders. This development comes despite Zamir's early opposition to Netanyahu's plan, citing concerns over the heavy operational burden it would place on the IDF. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Netanyahu hinted that ceasefire efforts in Gaza are now focused on a comprehensive deal aimed at releasing all remaining hostages at once, rather than in phases.
In any case, they will leave a lot of hostages in their hands, both the living and the dead, and we want them all. I want them all, both the living and the dead. That's why we are going for this. And I'm not telling you that I won't be willing to discuss it. I want to bring everyone back as part of ending the war.
Meanwhile, Hamas has demanded a permanent ceasefire, the release of prisoners, and Israel's withdrawal from the enclave in exchange for freeing hostages. Indirect talks brokered by Egypt and Qatar have stalled, but Hamas senior leader Khalil al-Hayya arrived in Cairo earlier this week for fresh discussions on the possible ceasefire. The IDF chief's approval comes amid mounting international condemnation and increasing domestic opposition to Netanyahu's plan to assume full military control of Gaza. However, Israeli airstrikes on Gaza City have intensified, with residential neighborhoods like Zaitun and Sebra hit by very heavy strikes targeting civilian homes. Netanyahu's government has yet to provide a clear timeline for when Israeli troops will enter Gaza City. While Israel is planning to assume full military control over Gaza, the US has reportedly prepared a plan to relocate Palestinians to Somalia. With Neha Kumari, Bureau Report, India Today.